Okay, so we just left another customer. This one was a walk-in. We decided, we saw them and we said, hey, we know you. So we walked in, talked to them. Man, great conversation about Hexagon products. And then Sonia just had to take the show and start talking about all kinds of other stuff. But it was good. It was good. It wasn't even a planned meeting. And it was really good. Sonia said, we weren't even planning on visiting you. You weren't even on our schedule. That was rude. But it doesn't matter. That was rude. It sounds rude. Yeah, it does. Sounds rude now. Well, it sounds rude now. We weren't planning on visiting you. We had no idea about you. But here we are anyway. Dang, she's ruthless. You hardcore salesperson. Anyway, so we went to this place. Great people, loved them. They were very hospitable, even though of Sonia's very rude comment. I'm trying to teach her how to be a salesperson, and I said you've got to be rough and tough. I'm chilling out. She's driving. Of course, I've had a long day of someone's driving, but we digress. So. Great time. I think we went 1, 2, 3, 4. What did we go? 4 today? 4? We went 4 today. All great. Goodness, this sun. All great visits. Great people. Great bunch of engineers and designers and electricians. And, it was just great. And it was fun. And electricians. Oh my goodness, electricians. Sonia doesn't even know nothing about E&I or I&E. We learned that it could be I&E, E&I, IEIC, EIEIO. It could be anything. But anyway, great time, great people. Love spending time with our customers. They're a great bunch of peeps. Tomorrow's a packed day too. It's gonna be off the shots. And so anyway, talk to you later. Adele. Say bye, Sonia. She's not even watching the road. See, that's bad. You should have told me. You should have said, no, Mondo. I cannot keep my eyes off the road.